Namaskar, I am Prakash Astrologer presenting you weekly horoscope for all of you based on moon sign. You can take this weekly horoscope according to your moon sign as well as your ascendant as well as according to your Lagna Rashi. Weekly horoscope week commencing 28th September till 4th October for all of you 2020. Transit of moon for Sagittarius in first house, 26 September till 28 September. Transit of moon in first house. Transit of moon in first house. When the moon is transit in first house, this period ensures you get the excellent result in a most convenient way. You'll enjoy comfort, luxuries, lifestyles, companionship, friendship, support, guidance, sympathy, love, affection, care. You're enjoying thoroughly. And you'll be mentally, physically, emotionally satisfied. Companions are there, best friends are there, support you, guide you. Personal life will also get a happy boost. Professional life will also get a happy boost when the moon is transiting in the first house. With a great improvement in your circumstances. Love in the air. Overall, you'll be happy when the moon is transiting in the first house. Good fortune will come to you. You will experience appreciation from your own people at workplace and you feel honored when the moon is transiting in the first house. This could termed as hassle-free time for you, for your family. You'll be out of any misery, of any health issues. When the moon is transiting in the first house, a feeling of tranquility will give you contentment. Try not to become too sensitive in your feeling. What is good for you? What is not good for you? This particular period could be signify good days financially. You might be able to recover some old dues, attaining financial goal, achieving progression in your undertaking. When the moon is transiting in the first house. Transit of moon for Sagittarius in second house, 28th September till 30th of September. Transit of moon in second house. When the moon is transiting second house. At that time, when the moon is transiting in second house, be careful with your finances. There's a tendency to lose money if you're not very careful. When the moon is transiting in second house, keep a close eye on your expenditure. You will be tempted to spend money unnecessarily. You will be tempted to invest money unnecessarily. Be extra careful when you're dealing or mingling with people around you. Don't take every pokey pie people are saying to you will work for you. No. People can make any statement, but that doesn't mean that all the statements are ultimately universal truth. The answer is no. If you're taking every literally word, if somebody raising your hopes and telling you pokey and telling you a shortcut to success, don't believe it. Please. You can never replace hard work and time. You want to achieve success, you have to invest hard work and time. And when you realize you end up fighting with these kind of people. People can cheat you, fraud your time, fraud your money, and run away with your hard-earning money. You have to guard your negative mentality, which you can act out of frustration, negative mentality or stress. And that particular action will backfire on your reputation. Don't do that. Obstacles in your workplace are there. When the moon is transiting second house, obstacles in your workplaces come up, but stick on. These are temporary obstacles, not permanent. You have to work hard. You have to invest time. You have to be sincere and honest with yourself. Physically, you feel down and your eyes may create a problem for you during this particular time. Mentally, you feel less content than usual. Moreover, this time period, you're not enjoying anything. You're disappointed and frustrated. But this is a temporary phase, not permanent. Go with the flow if you want to achieve your success. Go with the flow without wasting any time. When the transit of moon in second house, go with the flow. Do the best with your hard work. Invest more time. Listen to the well-wishers, not people who are telling pokey pie. There's no shortcut to success whatsoever. Transit of moon for Sagittarius in third house, 30th of September till 3rd of October. Transit of moon in third house. When the moon is transiting in third house, you enjoy the achievement of desired goal and success in your undertaking for those few days. When the moon is transiting in third house, with the possibility of some name, fame, recognition from people around you, this particular period brings you joy, good fortune on the monetary front, When the moon is transiting in third house, you could expect a clearance of past use, attainment of wealth, success in your ventures. When the moon is transiting in third house, on the home front, this period signifies ultimate happiness, harmony. During this time period, you could have the best of everything: lifestyle, companionship, closeness. You would feel generally very happy whatever comes to you, whatever you have to do. A feeling of satisfaction would rule your mind. Chances are that you make best friend with companion, having a good timing with them. Sagittarius, in this coming week, you got to sort out your Mars, your Venus, your Mercury for the prevention of any kind of professional losses, financial losses, bad debts, flow of income issues, professional backing issues, relationship crisis, health, happiness, peace of mind, career, health issues. With the help of task precaution chanting, you got to sort out your planet for your best. If you want to achieve weekly horoscope report, then kindly do visit my website prakashastrologer.com and acquire your full weekly horoscope report, implement it and achieve your best. Many thanks for watching this weekly horoscope. Would you like to know more of what this coming week going to bring for you regarding situations, circumstances, scenarios? Would you like to know how you're going to do in this coming week regarding your actions, regarding emotions and visions? Would you like to know more about the events happening in this coming week? Would you like to have some guidance regarding decision choices you're making in this week and how you can overcome and resolve most of your hassles and complication and awkward situation and waste of time in this coming week? If your answer is yes, then what you're waiting for? Please get your very thorough moon sign weekly horoscope report on video as well as written. Do visit our website prakashastrologer.com because I want you to win in every situation and be self-content and happy.